How are you guys? I'm gonna show you today about the debug in Eclipse. If you're learning Eclipse and if you are new, sometimes you stuck right in the beginning to class. It's so easy, but if you don't know, it's getting hard and also you losing your time. Now I write down simple code here, and then I'm gonna show you how to make debug. Debug means breakpoint, guys. Now we're gonna click here. I'm gonna show you. I'm clicking number 9, and then I click here number 11. And then I'm going to for click debug. Debug is here. I click here, and then it will be something wrong. Maybe sometimes if you don't see your console here, is it gonna be on the right side? Reset button. You're gonna see something here for option. One more time. I'm gonna show you. See now it's left side, my project side is not showing. If you're getting like this problem, it's on the right top in the middle. This is debug, and this is option is for console Java. It's when I click here, and then it comes here back to here, Java, all projects here. Okay. Now I'm gonna click here, debug. Debug is coming now. It must be green here. I'm telling you again, if you don't see your console here on the bottom, there is an option here, reset button. When you click the reset button, and then it will become back here. Okay. Now I'm getting this step over. Step over is here. When I click one time, it's right down here. How are you? One more time. How about you? It's going step by step. Debug means we checking the OR code step by step. Each code, is it working or not working? One more time, I click here, it's going another code. It's going another one. It's going another one. Why 1, 2, 3 it's not separate line? Because I write down here on the print, it's not line. When I put line, it's become 1, 2, 3. It must be line, but I didn't put line here. It's printing beside. I hope everybody is understanding. Debug is very easy, guys. I can click one more time. Step by step, it's going. Now, green means we didn't print 9 yet. Number 19 printed already, but 20 is next one. When I click one more time, step over, now is printed already number 20. But number 20 is not yet. I hope everybody's understand it. In the beginning, guys, sometime I know I had some same issue. It takes my time. I was looking, oh, where's my console? Oh, where's my project? You know, I couldn't see it, but it took time. That's why I wanted to show you. I hope it helps for you guys. See you next video.